Jack, you want to tell everybody what you're going to eat?
Did you get a spoon for him?
I'm going to have some avocado. I'm getting too big for my bumbo.
Did I try it?
About to get the surprise of a lifetime. What is
What do you
that?
think?
What is that?
What do you think? You want some more? Here we go. There you go. It's not bad, huh?
Oh, I think he thinks he's going to hate it. It's pretty tasty.
That's more. Here we go. Right in that. There. Oh! Not even close.
But like he makes the sour face and then he's like, eh, it's not so bad. Jack, it took me 25 years to like avocados.
Is that good?
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Is that good? You're eating it. You left some in your mouth and you swallowed it. Nope. It's still there. There you go.
I think we can call this a success.
I think so.
Yay!